everyone, this is Katie with DEK Designs, and today I'm going to be showing you our mystery subscription kit for the month of December. I'll be showing you the 3 different options that we have available for the mystery kit, and I do want to let you know that spots are open today if you're not signed up for our mystery kit, and I put the link in the description below. So the 3 different mystery kit options that I'm going to show you is the standard mystery kit, the journal / Hobonichi cousin mystery kit, and then the decorative mystery kit. But first I'm going to start with the standard. For the mystery kit, you get like the pages of the stickers, and then you also get like a little bonus add-on as well. For this month, Dawn created artwork that can be used to celebrate the new year, but it could also be used to celebrate your birthday. So that's really fun. That's kind of like a celebration kit in general. So for the bonus sheet, it's on washi sticker paper, and we have some watercolor swatches. The colors are light pink and a darker pink / reddish color. And we have some divider strips that have stars on it, and some cute little deco. We have a couple of balloons, we have some party hats and some like champagne, and over here we have like a clock pointing at midnight. So this is like the bonus piece of the mystery kit, and all versions of the mystery kit have this. So the first page, we have the full box stickers, and I love the colors. It's so vibrant, and I'm a fan of like pink, so this is my jam. So over here we have a table with some macaroons and strawberries and party hats to celebrate, and we have this cute disco ball that's hanging from the ceiling. Over here we have like a bag with champagne inside of it, and it looks like almost maybe like strawberry champagne or pomegranate, something like that. Over here we have like a beverage cart with some of the wine glasses or champagne glasses, the little shaker, and we have some party foil lights hanging. This box is sparkle all the way with some foiled like fireworks and some florals. And then we have a yummy looking cake with some icing dripping with the foil. It says celebrate. And then this double box scene is of a living room, and we have this gorgeous fireplace, a nice sectional couch, and the TV is on with the fireworks on it. And then over here we have a stack of different games that, you know, you'd play with a group of friends, like Twister, Candyland, Monopoly, Yahtzee, all those fun games. So that's the first sheet. Then we have our Monday through Sunday stickers at the top, and then some washi strips. I am like in love with the gold foil against this red color. I think it's just so rich and vibrant. And then we have some roses down here. Then we have a couple of more full boxes. We have some people that are clinking their glasses together, doing like a toast. And then we have that clock again, and some more beverages. We have the Monday through Sunday box here, and then we have some layering pieces over here with the floral background, the heart date dots, and then the weekend script, and then a few layering pieces, a few like box layering pieces, and then the deco. Down here we have celebrate script too. Then we have our scallop dividers, our bow dividers, our half scallop circles, and then some thinner washi strips. I love the pattern on the bows with those colors. Then we have the flags, some more layering pieces, the movie sticker for whatever you're watching, and then the 3 bow checklist boxes and some circles below that. So a lot of good stickers for organization, for checklists for the week. And this is the functional page for headers. And we have some different foiled pieces on these boxes. Like we have the banner that has the lights, the stars on it. And then down here we have like just the string banners. We have some balloons and sparkles tying everything together. And our headers and glitter headers, again, this is really nice to use for organizing your days, for like meals, to-dos, today, work, for those lists. Then we have the Fashion Girl boxes and the icons and scripts. I absolutely adore the bow on this Fashion Girl's outfit. I love her hair and all the sparkles. Looks like she's doing some karaoke down here. And then the cute bow in the hair. And the script is like urgent YouTube tasks, pay bills, helpful for organizing again. And then some of the icons have to do with like cleaning, laptop, watering your plants, meals, and such. And lastly, we have the deco page. Look how cute this is. She's literally hugging a huge stack of macaroons, and I can totally relate to that. I love macaroons. Then she has some balloons over here, and look at that outfits, sparkly. And we have, again, the board games. We have some florals in here, some cupcakes, some slippers, fun party deco. So this is the standard version of the mystery kit, the standard kit. I would recommend this if you have like an Erin Condren or a Happy Planner. Next, I'm going to show you the journal kit / Hobonichi Cousin option. For the journal kit / Hobonichi Cousin, we again have that bonus sheet on the washi sticker paper. And then we have the same boxes that we saw from earlier, except for they're shorter and not as wide. The same artwork. You do see here that there's a habit tracker that is different from what was on the standard. We have some rectangular boxes over here too that are solid. And then we have the Monday through Sunday. And this like fits perfectly in the weekly section if you have a Hobonichi Cousin planner. And then this page really starts like showing the journal aspect of this mystery kit version. We have the torn, ripped pages, and again we have the glitter headers and just the regular headers. Have scallop circles that are not as wide, so it fits really well. And then on this page we have kind of like the layering pieces and the date dots. So we have more on this kit than what you saw on the standard kit, where we have more like sticky notes and things that you can write in. We have some banners too, and they're like matching with the kit. We have some arrows that is like celebration. Then the Fashion Girl page again. And the deco page, this is different from the standard because the deco is quite larger, matching with the journal kit, the journal feel of this. And I believe there might be some artwork on here that was not on the regular deco page from the standard. Like this looks like maybe a luggage tag here. And we have the microphone, the close-up of the balloons, a candle. And then lastly, this is the deco page that we saw from earlier. So this is the journal kit / Hobonichi Cousin Weekly. Lastly, I'm going to show you the decorative kit. And I recommend this kit if you have a Hobonichi Cousin planner, or if you just have a planner that is smaller than like the big like Happy Planner and such like that, because these stickers are a bit smaller for the full boxes anyways. For the decorative kit, we again have that bonus sheet I showed you earlier, and the rest of this kit is also on the washi sticker paper. So the first page we have the box swatches, so we have those scenes that we saw from earlier, but the cut here has more of a torn paper effect on it. It's not a straight edge. We have that gold foil again. In the next swatch page, we have a bigger swatch of that living room scene, a couple of those fashion girls, some washi strips, and a layering piece. Next, we have the borders. So we have a few strips of like the florals at the top, where it's a straight edge at the bottom and it hugs the artwork at the top. I love the florals down here too. And it looks like here we have like a straight, yeah, we have a straight edge strip too. Then we have one of the decorative pages. So we have those fashion girls again in the deco, except for, again, it's on the different paper, so it has a different feel to it. And the second decorative page, more of that artwork. And we have the last decorative page. And I like here that we have a couple of these stickers that are kind of like edged but hugged right here. So it's really good for like bordering a page that you're using for a planner. And then we have the scripts and dates. So we have 2 weeks of Monday through Sundays on here. And we have a couple of other scripts like to do, meals, errands. And lastly, we have date dots. And I like that we have 2 different options for like the colors. So we have the pink or we have the darker red color. And lastly, we have the terrible washi page. So we have like a pattern in the background of those different colors, and we have an overlay of balloon foil. And for this, the terrible washi is you just take the top where you can see it's cut, and you can tear it in whatever shape you would like for your planner or your journal. So I recommend the decorative add-on if you like to have a bit more of like free form stickers that have more of like a ripped journalish as well feel to it, and you really enjoy the feel of the texture of the washi sticker paper, as it is like it's not a completely solid. You can kind of see through it a little bit, not completely, but there is a little bit of that. So those are the 3 different options for our mystery kit. We have the decorative, we have the Hobonichi cousin / journal kit, and lastly we have the standard kit. I am so excited to start using this mystery to start planning for the new year. And again, you can also use this for your birthday too. It's multifaceted, however you really want to use it. If you don't want to miss out on our next mystery kit, make sure to click the link below to subscribe. Let us know what you think of December's mystery. We always love to hear your feedback. If you want to see more stickers and content, make sure to hit the subscribe button below. Thank you so much for supporting us in our channel, in our shop, and I hope you all have a happy new year ahead. Bye guys.